Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add some of the HTTP addresses to block list on your Zyxel router. And to do this we'll need to set up the parental controls. So right here click on the three lines on the 192.168.1.1 configuration website for this router. Head on to the network setting, to the security, and find the parental controls. Inside, make sure that they are enabled. Then add new PCP, which is a parental control profile, and make sure that it's enabled. You can name it, so let's call it Tom. We can change the home network user, so here you can pick which device will be set for that profile, and in this case I'm only one connected to it, so I can see only myself or all of the devices. So let's click on this one. We can also add another one if you like. Then scroll down and you can change the internet access schedule, so it will schedule when the internet will be available for this device, and when it's disabled you can add a different timer also if you like. Here's the network service, which I'm gonna skip, and finally we have site URL keyword, and we can block any URL or HTTP website right here, and it works like that. Click on add and enter the site URL keyword, and do not include the HTTP or HTTPS in that keyword. So let's go for YouTube because I want to ban it from my router for this profile. youtube.com, click on OK, and now it's added. And if you save this settings, you won't be able to reach YouTube on this specific device or the one that you've chosen. There's also option to enable it to redirect this site, so when someone tries to open YouTube, he will be redirected to ZyXEL family safety page. Make sure to click on OK when you're ready with the setup, and the block will be enabled. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.